How's it going, guys? Just a fast and quick video here. I'm out here today looking for some socks and I found some behind the washer and dryer and it's pretty nasty. And also discovered a small little leak on my water line here from my wash machine. So I got the water turned off. Here is my hose. I'm gonna take off this. Oh, that was pretty easy. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's one. And oh, here goes the water down on the ground. All right, and that water's off. And let's see if I can. Oh, it's so tight. Oh, try this again. Oh yeah. There we go. And there went some more water. Okay. And I unplugged the wash machine. Take these off. Darn it. These off. And now I can't reach it. So I will just move the wash machine out and I'll clean this whole area up. All right, wash machine pulled out and I found my socks. And look at that nastiness back there. All right, gotta clean this up. Dang. All right, so this is pretty nasty too. I bet inside here is kind of clogged, so I got another one. This is brand new. I could probably just clean the inside of that, but it's been years and years. Might as well change it. So I'll clean all this too. This. Oh, it comes right off, right on. Ooh. Look at that. Can anybody see fire hazard?
Fire hazard.
Alright, everything's nice and clean. I got a new outlet, a new hose on. That was pretty much the hardest part. Ran it all the way out. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install this new hose. And the new hose comes with new washers, so don't forget to put them in. See, just like that. Shove it inside. Nice and flat. Alright, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, now the cold side. Alright, okay, now for this side. Now over here it has a H and a C, hot and cold. So we're going to line up the hot. Oh, forgot my O-ring. One more O-ring inside. Nice and flat. Okay, and this line goes to hot. Okay, hot line goes to hand tighten this. Cold goes to the cold. Okay, just put it on back and let's stick this one back in its hole. Now I'm checking the lines, making sure they're not smashing against the wall. Yeah, lots of room to wiggle. Alright, plug this puppy in. Okay, nice and flush. Lines are good. Okay, we're going to test this out now. When I do this, it's going to start sucking. I want to put the water. Okay. Now, what I'm doing now, I'm checking for leaks. Looking for leaks. Looking for leaks. No leaks. Now check the hot. Turn that one off. Turn this one on. See what happens. Oh. And now the hot. Didn't use the hot in like 12 years. No leaks? Okay. Don't waste water. Turn that bugger off. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Clean the wash machine and the dryer. Everything was good. No leaking. And it even has on the line up here, I don't think you can see it, but it says replace every 5 years. And it's been about 12 years. So, yeah. And I'm glad I cleaned that out. That was definitely a fire hazard. So we cleaned downstairs. Don't forget the upstairs. Can't forget this. So I usually clean this every cycle. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I just want to share. Aloha and take care. Be safe.